Welcome everyone, and today we're gonna make some pasta with Parmesan cheese, cream sauce, and some garlic chicken. Great little dish for lunch, even dinner. A little bit of wine. Totally awesome. Something that you can put together in 15 minutes. So first we're gonna prepare Parmesan cheese sauce. Very simple. Garlic goes on the frying pan, a little bit of butter, your whipping cream, Parmesan cheese. Wait until it melts, nice and easy, and your sauce is ready. Put a little bit of salt and pepper right there to have a good taste to it, and you're ready to go. So next we're gonna prepare our chicken. 2 chicken breasts, slice it to little pieces. Mix it with about 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, salt, and red paprika for taste. Put it in a frying pan until golden brown, and you're ready to go. So next we're gonna get pasta. I usually buy Chanetsky's pasta, which I'm gonna make a quick picture for you so you know what I'm talking about. But you can use any pasta, just like a little bit thicker, and it doesn't matter who makes it. Cook it for about 8 minutes. Make sure it's nice and soft, and mix it with your sauce. Put some chicken on it and parsley, and you're ready to go. Hope you like what I did today, and I will see you again. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.